Are you tired of cluttered kitchen pantries and constantly searching for ingredients? Introducing the Pop Airtight Food Storage Containers with Lids by Anku. These stackable containers are designed to bring organization and convenience to your kitchen. One of the standout features of these containers is the unique one-button opening pop design. With just a single press, the container opens in 1 second, allowing for easy access to your stored food. No more struggling with hard-to-open lids or wasting time searching for the right ingredient. Not only are these containers easy to open, but they are also airtight and leak-proof. The container body fits tightly with the lid, ensuring that no water or air can seep in. You can confidently store any type of food, including those with water-based content or dry ingredients, without worrying about leakages or spoilage. The containers are made from durable BPA-free material, ensuring that they are safe for both children and adults. Additionally, they have transparent scale values on the side of the container body, allowing you to easily monitor the amount of food stored inside. No more guessing or opening multiple containers to find what you need. Anku offers multiple capacities to meet your specific needs. Choose from 1,200 milliliters, 2,000 milliliters, 2,700 milliliters, or 3,300 milliliters options to perfectly suit your storage requirements. These containers are ideal for storing a variety of items, such as sugar, salt, herbs, spices, cookies, nuts, tea, cereal, flour, rice, pasta, and spaghetti. At Anku, we prioritize customer satisfaction. If you encounter any issues with our containers, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. We are committed to providing you with a satisfactory solution, as we believe in offering premium quality and the best service. Please note that these products are designed for use in the US. If you are based internationally, it is important to check compatibility and consider the need for an adapter or converter before making a purchase. With the Pop Airtight Food Storage Containers with Lids, you can finally say goodbye to kitchen clutter and hello to organized bliss. Order yours today and experience the convenience and efficiency they bring to your kitchen pantry.